Welcome back to video 4 for lesson 2 in unit 3 of chemistry 1. So this is the last video talking about the atom for this lesson. So this is going to be looking at a comparison of the nucleus and the electron cloud. So we mentioned this a little bit up here in this chart. So if we look at the nucleus itself, the nucleus of an atom is where all of the mass, or virtually all of the mass of the atom is. So all of the atom's mass, but very small volume. So it's really packed into this little nucleus, which means that it is very dense. So here we have the protons and the neutrons of the atom, and they're all compacted in. And there's another video about how small the atom is, and it talks about the density of this. And it's a TED Talk, and I'd really like you to watch that video so you can really get an understanding of how dense this is and the relative size of the nucleus and electron cloud. So this is a very, very tiny part of an atom, a very small volume. It's right in the center. So protons and neutrons, and the nucleus has a positive charge. The electron cloud has a negative charge. And this is where we find the electrons. And these are scattered throughout this. And it's really hard to pinpoint where an electron is in the electron cloud because they are always moving. And because they're negative and they don't like each other, as soon as one moves, they all move because they don't like each other. And negative charges repel each other. So in 3 dimensions around the nucleus, we're going to have these electrons moving all constantly. And it has virtually no mass when you compare it to the nucleus. But it has most of the atom's volume. But the big thing here to know about both of these, the atom itself is mostly empty space, which is kind of a hard thing to think about. So the nucleus in the electron cloud is almost all empty space. Over 99% of the atom is empty space. So the solid chair that you are sitting on, the paper that you're writing on right now, is mainly empty space. You are mainly empty space. Something to think about.